All right. Done with this. So done. All right. Enough of the countdown. It didn't work anyway. It's like yeah, it worked, but whatever. So, Roop, Jericho, chilling in the team speak over there. Whatever, that's okay. Uh, anyways, people, we're gonna read through these here comments. We're gonna pick up a software, and we're gonna wing it because I'm bored. Hey, sir, definitely gonna be mentioning you in this video as well. Let me just prepare that over here because really great work from that guy, I tell you. Let's see here. Paste bin. Bam, we want that one. We want that one. I gotta find all of them. Gotta find them. So much paste bin. It's no longer available. Oh, no. No. Well, your original one for Internet Download Manager is no longer available. And let's see here. So we've got the keygen for, I think this was the one for the video software. I'm not sure. I don't remember. And then page removed. Oh, that hurts my soul. That's the same one. And that one's got. There's been a few. Let's see here. Let's try to. Do I know the way? No, I don't know. I don't know the way, guys. Here's the Chess Genius one. Get that one. Nobody tried to decrypt me, which, hey, that's okay. It's an entirely different world. YouTube. Oh, the network scanner one. I forgot all about that. Ain't never gonna give you up. Somebody tried to rickroll us. All right, so we did have a request about some Visual Basic programs. I will watch record it. Oh, no, nice, nice. You got a job now. Nice. Mr. Serp's got the job. And a damn fine employee he shall be. Anyways, yeah, the recording is going to be up on the YouTubes there auto-magically. And let's see here. So we had a request about some Visual Basic 5/6. It would be the same thing, but beyond that, you'd have .NET. Then down here, we had some questions about them being live stream. Yeah, it is on YouTube platform, typically. I did do one on Twitch once, but yeah. Registry cleaner. Keep your registry clean. Just like you pick your dirty socks up, right? Keep your registry clean. Okay, reverse this software for me. Well, we won't do it for you, but we'll take a look and see if you can do it yourself at the end. So yeah, we'll grab that. But can you crack WinRAR, huh? But can you dab? Well, I'll show you dabs. Let's see here. Had an interesting discussion about PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, add, and subtraction. Yeah. Anyhow, let's jump into this guy here. I did download it. It's over here. Let me go ahead and... I'm sure it's a virus, so we'll just do that. I gotta see if I even remember where Ollie is at, because I don't. Did I run it? I believe I ran it. Oh, yes, I definitely ran it. There it is. Send me all dem viruses. Alright, we have your standard install screen. I guess I'll accept the terms of agreement, which, wait. I'll go back. Let's check this out. The agreement. Let's see if there's anything in here about reverse engineering, because sometimes there is. Purpose of use, restriction to use some sort of illegal countries. You agree with terms. Don't see it yet. Yeah. Limitations of artwork, blah, blah. Oh, right here. User shall not reverse engineer, decompile, disassemble, translate, copy, modify, otherwise change software or part thereof, including without limitation any software provided by. User shall have no right to try, attempt any other manner, obtain source code for any software. Okay, you know that whole right to repair, right to ownership, right to take apart your own damn things. It's the same thing covered here. You provide me software, I'm going to look into it. It's a learning experience, right? And they only have anything to benefit from it, really. Jesus. What's that?
User left your channel.
Oh boy, launch. We're going to launch.
User joined your channel.
Oh, hey, Roop, what'd you say?
What's a girl to do?
I know, right? I'm bored as hell. I'm doing a live stream. I'm so bored.
Doing a live stream on what?
YouTube.
Oh shit.
I'm live streaming some reverse engineering here. We just installed a program called Samsung Tool Pro 30.6. Samsung Tool Pro. Here we go. We're going to try to make this one short and sweet. I'm kind of tired. And there's a child awake behind me. What are we doing out of bed? Can Daddy not ever get 10 minutes to himself? No. No, you can't. You can't ever. It just doesn't happen. No. Okay, so we get this, and it's going to say, what skin do you want to use? I don't know. Let's do this skin, the dark one. Okay, model name style. I really don't care. Okay, do not ask me every time where to save downloaded file. The grammar is top notch. Delete it. Okay. I don't know what the software is. Don't know what it's for. I'm assuming it's to do, work on Samsung phones and shit like that, but alright. Now we got the cat. Alright, now we have another user agreement here, but I can't move it over to that screen. Let's see here. Does it mention anything about it? Restriction to use. It's the same exact one. There it is. Okay, anyways, I've read it. Read, and Abe, wait, what is this? Right, sir, really? Okay, go ahead. Let's do it. Cat's eating some food. The kid's out of bed. What do you do? She gonna play with Legos and then fall asleep. Card not found. Retry or close. Have flashing error in finger. Okay, close. You know what? You can't reverse software that doesn't turn on. You just can't do it. Like, it doesn't work that way. Samsung Tool Pro. Ooh. Yes. Let's see here. We'll try it one more time. I'm guessing it's going to be looking for a phone that's plugged in. I don't have a Samsung anymore. I don't. Sorry, using... Okay, anyways, yeah, I understand, I accept, good. Yep, we've read it. Card not found. Alright, so that's a wash. We're not gonna... I don't really... Okay, you know what? Let's do it this way. We'll do it hard mode. try hard. Let's see here. Let's grab some Ollie. We're gonna see if we can get past that to see what the rest of it is. This is the wrong drive. That's the super secret hidden stuff. So if you want all my secrets, just go back and freeze the frame there. Pay close attention to the folder labeled fucking important. Excuse the language, but that is what it is. Shout out to Roop, who's bored and about to fall asleep.
Yeah, boy.
You gonna like wake the fuck up or what?
Nothing to do, man.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. There ain't shit to do.
Ask all my viewership what you should be doing. All 4 of them.
Right, tell me I need to go to sleep.
At 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Jeez. Samsung Tool Pro. Here we go. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I'm shaking my desk. It's going to make my camera shake, which you guys all just going to deal with because I'm a fidgety mother. I fidget sometimes. Alright, we've got the... is this up? Is this running? Yeah, okay, cool. Now where's the Samsung Tool Pro thingy? Did it not launch? I don't think it launched. No, I know it launched. Oh, there it is. Okay, I have read. You can't see this. Enable. Now we're going to go ahead and attach to it with Ollie and see what we can accomplish. Attach. And let's go to Samsung Tool Pro. Attach. Terminated. Vlog. This may not be worth my time. Dead code. I love it. Exit code. Dead code. Bastards. File open. Samsung Tool Pro. Nope. View executable modules. Samsung Tool Pro. Analyze. No. Okay. Analyze. Yep. We're going to let that go. It's going to take a little while, maybe a year and a half or so, but who cares? Can't do much about it. This is packed for sure. We need some PE Lord or something in here. You know what? Not worth my time. Not worth your time. Like, what little we have to gain from this program is going to be, well, you know what? It might be some anti-do. We'll spend 10 minutes on it. God, Ollie, don't do this. Okay, thank you. Okay, file, Samsung Tool Pro. Might have to hard mode. View executable modules, Samsung Tool Pro. Search for all intermodular calls. We're gonna look for things like, is debugger present?
How's the movie group?
It's definitely packed.
Definitely. Express murder.
Definitely
How's it so
packed.
far? I haven't
Alright,
watched
so now
it
we're
yet.
gonna need...
Kind of different though.
Lord PE. Yeah, it was something like that. Lord PE, PE Lord, you know, whatever.
Like your stream's hella choppy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Am I dropping frames?
Well, it keeps loading and then unloading, buffering. I don't know. I don't know if it's on my side or your side.
Mine says 0 dropped frames, 60 frames per second.
Do a
720p.
speed test, see what my shit's doing.
Anybody else have the problem? See here, close. New folder. Lord PE. If you move that folder, I swear. You know, Windows, when I put a folder somewhere, I want it to be there. I don't want you to move it when I rename it. Okay? I mean, have you guys seen my desktop? I know you have. It's not exactly clean. So things got to be where I put them. Did that copy? I don't know if that copied or not. Did it copy? Looks like it might have copied. We're going to call it good and say that it copied. Lord PE. Ugh. God, of course it's over here. Whoop. There we go. Four monitors is hard to pay attention to sometimes. Let's see here. Where's this damn program at? Open file location. Open file location. No, don't do that. This doesn't seem to be what I remember it being. Nor does the icon look right. I look funny, Jericho says. I look funny. I do look funny. I got this weird haircut. My hair's like messed up. And it's all white because this bright monitor, the only light that's on. I mean, I guess there's that light, but watch, it will make no difference. See? No difference. Anyways, let's see here. Let's go PEID. Definitely did not think I would be doing a unpacking. That's totally Serb's area. BAYU, Bayou Smith. Hi. Hello. Okay, anybody got a piece of software we can tear apart? So I'm really not wanting to go too far down the rabbit hole of fucking packers. We're going to pop this in PEID, see what it tells us, and if it's not something that's going to be known, like I'm not manually unpacking something, no, I'm not going to do that. Don't have the time for it. Alright, so still waiting my apps. Any chances to do it? What app was that? Let's do it right now. Pop it in chat. We'll do it. What's up? Let's see here. We'll go back to the comments. Where were you at? Show more. Wait, this wasn't like from 3 years ago or something, right? I mean, that's totally cool if it was, but I just know my MO. First AF all processor. Are you ready to go?
User disconnected from your channel.
I was taking a look at Earthsiege 2 today after I installed from CD and removed the CD. It wants the CD, but I started to crack it a bit. It has 3 executables. I got one to let me directly run the last instant action mission, but no shell access yet. Can't bypass the CD full yet. Earth Siege 2. I don't know about that one. Hello, I have a problem with my program. I can't crack him, so I want help. I need to contact you. That's not you. Okay. Let's see here. Still waiting. Please make it loud. They are. Okay. Thank you from Project 64. Yep. That's it. Definitely in the GitHub. Yep. Nice to see you back. Good. Thank you. Good to be back. Wish I was back more often, but life is hard. Okay. I'm going to type. How to crack software like Photoshop. Same way. You dig into it. Can you crack a VST file for me? Is that like a Fruity Loops plugin? Help me on cracking this. I bet this won't work. Can't be. Oh, I can download it. Let's download it. It's still there from 11 months ago. Crazy. That's dedication. Virus and threat. Ooh, I like it. Review. Close. Okay. Don't send. Let's see here. Let's see. Registration code style is like this. I don't know why anyone would ever need to include that. Wait, send you the link. I need to read log file using that software. Okay, send the link. COM. Let's just view that COM. This is some 16-bit application stuff. Like, seriously? That Fishy is all. Yeah, watch this. Watch this, brother. Go like this. We're gonna go like this. We'll even put this on the desktop. Windows is gonna throw a fit. I guarantee you. Here it is, and let's go to VirusTotal.com. Upload and scan. I bet it's already been uploaded and scanned. It's on my desktop. This is my desktop. What sounds more fishy, the VXD, the COM, or the actual EXE? Let's start here. Alright. Community score -1, but it's clean. That's all that matters. Go back, upload, and you know, a lot of times it's to be expected the programs may not be clean. The COM is clean. Alright, now let's one more here. Let's go like this. Let's see. Ooh, it's never been scanned. The hash did not mash. Now, there's a small possibility that Windows has castrated this, and so it won't find anything anyways. Because Windows is rude like that. Windows like, you want to break your computer? Well, tough. They really do make it hard these days. Gone are the good old days where you could brick your own computer simply by typing a command. Let's open this in Ollie, because I'm still not 100% certain that I trust it. So we're not just going to go running it all willy-nilly. Alright? Run. No. Don't do that. Search for intermodular calls. pen, mutex, copy rectangle, close handle, client screen. Let's see here, create file A. No, I don't see anything that's going to be too outside of the ordinary here. You only live once, right? YOLO. This is fishy. Okay, this is a little fishy. That's definitely a little fishy. Wine? What is going on here? It's definitely looks a little, just a little outside of the ordinary here. Let's see, what did Windows yell about? Where's my cursor? There it is. Check your file history drive for errors. I love it. Cancel. Which one is my file history
User
drive?
disconnected from your channel.
Oh, goodbye. Anyways, I'll worry about that later. Can't send link. I see. How do I... Streaming options. Advanced. Allow embedding. Make videos. Thanks. Allow comments, show all. Yeah, I don't see any. Don't see any like auto removing. I guess it's just by default, like, or any way that I can change that. So resend to my email. Yeah, I'll check my email. Hold on. All right. Clean. What email address did you send it to? Oh. Okay. I'm not seeing an email. Let's see. What email address did you send it to? Give Academy. That one may not be up right now. Let me see. Mail. No, I just recently migrated servers and that one is down. Send it to rubymaster3000@gmail.com. That's a kind of a throwaway, so I don't care if, yeah. Need to update that. Need to get the mail system back up. I might be able to get to it through the host themselves. Let's go. Support@give.academy. Sample 10. No, that's old. That's all really old. Let's see here. Help with purchase software. Is that you? About a year and a half ago, I purchased Wolf Video Poker software. Definitely download that and help. Do you have Skype? Can we talk? You know, I really need to check this email account a lot more often than I have. There we go. Crack hard software. Oh my. Thank you so much. I have something. Speech to go. BA. Oh, there it is. Found it. Got it. December 28th. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Link the application. I need to use it. I hope you can. Hopefully, I can do a donation for the academy. Yeah, there is. Definitely. Definitely can. I'm downloading. 22.3 megabytes. Direct download. Let's download it. See what this is all about. Show in folder. All right. Now, let's see here. How fishy can it be? Would our good friend Mr. Smith try to pull one over on us? No. So the first thing we'll do, open archive. Okay, so we've got some, this is what's inside here. We've got OpenSSL Lite, Diagnostic Utility, Client Key, Redistributable Packages, 7-zip, image format. I'm assuming the program is Win32 OpenSSL Lite because that's the only program I see in here that isn't something else. So, Win32 OpenSSL Lite. Let's see. Shining Light Productions, Win32 OpenSSL. So setting this page out page. You're wrong. Some idiot authored a Yahoo widget. Probably this one. A poorly written POP3 widget. What is this? All right. Well, let's just go for it. First things first. New folder. BAYU. Alright, so now we've got the program here, right there. We got all this other stuff that we don't know what it is, or what that is. We don't know why there's an installer for 7-zip. Diagnostic util. So what am I looking at here? Which one of these softwares is it that you're needing to use here? This diagnostic util. Let's run that. Unable to read license file. All right. Well, I can deal with that. That's a start at least. Okay. GDC log package load license. Okay. Cancel. Exit. Well, that is very good. I like that. So we're going to run it. And then we're going to go ahead and open our Ollie here. We're going to close this fishy thing. Looks like a rootkit. Attach. Mobile Twitch Space Desk. You get to see everything running on my computer. Diagnostic utility. Attach. And now, let's go ahead and hit run. Get to where we need to get. And we're going to now hit pause. And we're going to go to debug and hit execute tell user code or Alt F9. We're going to open the diagnostic utility up. Hopefully it will come up. It's not coming up. We're clicking it. We're clicking it. We're going to click it again. It doesn't come up. So that means we got to hit run. Well, we're going to have to hit pause and then hit run. And then we're going to have to open it. And then hit pause. And try it again. Probably not going to work, but we'll give it a shot. Nope. So we'll hit pause and run. And pause. Execute till return. Control A, give this a quick analyzationalizer, button. Patch the license, please. All right, we'll see what we can do. Let's not be in user 32 and go into diagnostic utility. There we go. Do a quick analyzer there. We're gonna run, search for all names, and this was written in Qt, which is just annoying. That's all right. Encryption keys. Oh boy. Is debugger present? That's a fun one. It looks like a message box there. Let's find references to that one. Go ahead and boop. On that, there's an existing license on. Would you like to replace? Let's go ahead and just find the beginning of this. Oh god. Open file, files, license. Okay, this is the dialog for opening it, I believe. Like when you click open license. We're gonna find references to selected command. We're gonna then double click on this guy here. We'll do that. That one comes to here. That one goes over it. We'll go here, 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 and that one goes. How did I get here? All right, that one goes over it, over it, over it, into it, into a different one. Yep, same thing. Same thing, different day. So, into it, and over it. So, need to create a key to get a license. Nah. Who needs one? Alright. And let's go ahead and do this. File load license, and we should break. We think. Not too sure yet. Definitely doing something. Definitely doing something. Normally I say just wait, but damn. That's taking too long. We're going to kill it. We're going to go another route. We're going to open Ollie back up here. There we go. Yep. And why it's way over here, I don't know. There we go. We're just going to go like this. And hit, well, let's check and make sure our breakpoints didn't get wiped out, because usually they do. Executable modules, there we go. Search for intermodular calls. We want message boxes. Also, like create file A, stuff like that. F open. Get open file name. Things like that. Left justified is valid. Open node menu. Restore override. Where are we at here? Did I pass it? Or did I not? Oh, let's do this. You know what I hate about Qt library? The exports. I mean, look at this. It's just, ugh. Find references to call destination. Just that one. Find references to selected command. Nada. Search for our names. That was clearly not the one that we clicked on before. File, file. Progress bar, string variant. Okay, that's the about. Okay, data stream processing. Settings, string format, action, Q action buttons. Where did it go? We just had it. Find it real quick and easy the first time, and then after that it's like, where did it go? So, people are probably screaming at their monitors, it's right there. I'm sitting here, I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, we've got the about with the message box. Critical message box, standard button, critical. I'm gonna guess one of these two was it. Breakpoint, all calls. Just do it. And clearly it wasn't that one. Will it be easier if we make it bigger? Open file name. Information. Was it that one? Successfully processed. You can access. You know what? I bet we could use strings in this one since it is CMS license. Invalid license. Failed to locate. What was the error message we got in the beginning? I'm sure we can just run another version of it here. Alright. There we go. Running. Unable to read license file. Let's see if we find that in any of this. Unable to read license file. I'm gonna have to get some water here pretty quick. License key invalid. Unable to locate. Blah de blah de blah. Let's do this. Control F. Unable. Oh, no, that's find. Ours should say read. Control L. Open. Read. And this call is called from where? Well, hello, Helium, for being here. Nice, always a pleasure having anybody and everybody stopping on by. Make directory. Okay, so this calls that guy. Search for. Let's do it one more time. Check a few things here. Ah, that's a good one to have referenced. Find references to this, because these are likely going to be at the beginning of the program. Looking for the app data path on my. Okay, let's go back. Find our references. This one. There we go. Get open file, open file, open file. Okay. We're going to F2 that one as well. And let's hit run. If we don't get anything, I'm getting my water. Is that the program I gave you centuries ago and you told me that 20 hours? Maybe. This one was one that this guy just sent over. It was like 2 months ago. But it's a good possibility that yours will get to at some point, just because I'm going back through, and anybody who ever submitted anything, I'm like, oh, let's do this one now, and we'll spend some time on it, unless it has some massive, unknown packer on it. I don't have that kind of time, at least not today. Not today. Don't have the energy. We're gonna hit run. Good, we broke right here, and I bet it's gonna be looking for our file and our folder and everything. And somewhere around here, it's going to be looking for loading that. Unable to read. And if we can circumvent all of that and just return good, we've made it. Now, we didn't exactly not find anything, and I hate it. Yes, free HTTP sniffer, we did do that. 20 hours in the US equals 20 days in the rest of the world. We did do the free HTTP sniffer, actually, and Serbia, which awesome dude who also tunes into the streams, he put together a keygen for that, I believe. I had all of his work on Pastebin bookmarked, but a lot of it got expired, and I should have saved it, but I didn't because I'm dumb. But yeah, we did do that one. I want to say it was like the second live stream. Let me see here. Video manager. Let's try the better set up more message box. I think it was a message boxes one. Done more than I thought that I had. Let me hit mute on this. No, that's Internet Download Manager. You haven't done it yet. You said you'll go live in the next 20 hours. No, we did. I swear I did. And I remember telling you that. No, like, watch. Free, where's it at? God, I don't know what you guys can see right now. Probably not much. Let me turn this light back on. Free, there it is. There we go. Free HTTP sniffer. Yes. And Violet. There you go. There it is. It's done. I know I did it. Oh, I remember now. This was the one. No, that wasn't that one. I did a whole stream that was like, no, I'm not finished. That was like 4 hours long, and then I realized at the end that it was never set to public. Wait a minute. What happened? Yeah, so this one's here. And let's go help, register. There, see? Bam. Bam. Help about. Yeah, we totally did this one, and Serbia wrote a keygen for it. And I think I even have that one. Let's see here. I think it's this one right here. This is either for that or it's for the video manager, video editor thing that we... AVS video editor. It's either that or the free HTTP sniffer. I keep trying to hit my mute button, but I don't have a mute button. So you just get to hear me cough. So you streamed it? Yeah. Absolutely have a course review. Oh my! Okay, that's a little over the top, but you know. Yes, I streamed it. Let's see here, video manager. I'll find you and I'll give you the link and you can go watch it. Was it this one or this one? I think it was the let's try this again. Mute. Okay, that's muted. What software is this? That's AVS Video Studio. Wait, did we do it in that video too? Because this was the one that was 4 hours and I didn't even like completely finish it. I was like, you know what, it's good enough. I'm done because nobody tuned in. And then when I was like, you know, I'm done, I realized that it was stuck in private mode, and I was like, great. Now who's the idiot? Just me. So I think it's in the let's try this again. Yep, let's try this again. That's the one. That's your jam right there. Copy link address. YouTube. I want to actually go to the video. No, go back. What are you doing? No. YouTube. Thank you. How do I go to my own dang channel? Got it. Okay, I'm not a complete moron. I swear. Let's try this again. Copy link address, and there it is. That's the one. Good morning from Sweden. Oh, it's evening. Good morning. All right, so we're not doing the free HTTP sniffer. What were we looking into? This diagnostic utility for Bayou Smith. And we broke, or we thought we would break. And right now, video is not available. It said, what? Maybe that's why. No, what? Wait, what? Oh, I got it. Videos. I just realized you were streaming. Just found it. You are not doing VB5 right yet. We're gonna hit this one real quick, if it is real quick, and then we're gonna do some VB5. But you have to find me a VB5/6 program, because I'm not gonna try to look for one of those programs. No. One more no. You find it, I'll look at it. But right now, I got to get something to drink. And so I'll be right back. Empty chair stream, go. I'm Batman. Cheers, mates. Got a drink. There. Maybe now I can stop. Never mind. Okay, back to our file, our license file. We know it checks to see if it exists. Says that it can't open it. We know that something happens in here. I'm gonna hit run. Okay, we're on that call. We know that this call goes into checking for it. So let's go ahead and follow it. We're gonna F7. And from here, we're gonna F8, 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 F8. We're gonna grab that license file name. And then from here, it's gonna do some conversion on that string. All right, cool, great. Now it's in Unicode. We have a pointer to it in ASCII. So we're preparing it. Yep, there it is. Almost there. Yep, there it is. Cool. You got some time because we got to do this first. Okay, now it's going to grab our app data path and store it somewhere, probably here. Go ahead and follow that in dump. Nope, it's not there. Follow this one in dump. And there we go. C drive program data. Okay, and then it's going to give us our separator. It's going to say that it's a slash. I posted a link in Discord. Sweet. Let me jump on it. I got to click it. Where is it at? There it is. Crash Override 1993. Love it. Love it. Best movie ever. ccdominoes.com. Win 42 Dominoes and Win Moon full. I love it. Download that to the desktop. That's where it's gonna live at. Right on the desktop. We're gonna play that game. The name is scrackbd. Okay, I'll find it in there. Okay, now back to what we're doing here. We're gonna F8. And now it's most likely going to concatenate our separator and all that. And then down here, we're going to have a call to something. String stuff. Yep, there we go. So we got C. We've got our concatenation. And a pointer to it. Now, this looks like we're doing a little bit more. Let's see here. String, string. Now we've got a bigger concatenation of something. We'll follow this in the dump. We'll follow that in the dump. And now we see GDC. The 42 game is in VB5. Sweet. We'll break out some Reformer. I remember back, way back in the day, tearing apart Visual Basic viruses with VB Reformer. Okay, calling ESI, another separator. Gonna do some more stuff. Is this more concatenation? Yep, okay, we're appending the strings. More and more we go. Where does it stop? Nobody really knows. Diagnostic utility, GDC. Okay, is this more of it? Yep, what do you know? And now, eventually, even if it is, we'll definitely tear it apart. I think I came across that thing. Yeah. Thmida. Okay, did I skip over something here? Because we are jump if not equal. What did we compare? Lock X add D word EDXEAX. Let's see here. Follow in dump. Memory address. Follow in dump. Selection. Don't wait. What am I doing? I want help on command. Exchanges and add. Exchanges contents 32-bit memory, blah, blah, loads EDX with the sum of EDX and EAX sets flags according to the result, not supported on i386 and earlier processors. Excellent. And aimbot. I love aimbots. Okay, so EDX, let's follow that guy in dump. And we have zeros. What happened here? String. Alright, well, fine. We're going to move along here. ECX is that. Interesting. It's F8. that. It's all zeros. Cool. We're going to do some more comparing, some jumping if we need to. It's not yet. We're going to come down until it yells at us. And we're going to skip quite a bit, probably. I hate Qt. I mean, it's great for cross-platform compatibility, but ugh. Reminds me of bytecode. Okay, some string stuff. Let's see, what did we do? Follow and dump. Follow and dump. There we go. We've got a full concatenation now. Make directory. I'm trying to step over it. And it's not liking it. We'll see what happens. Can I upload that crack meme? Yeah, for sure. Faux show. Do it. What happened? Oh, we're stuck. So essentially we want a breakpoint right here. And just in case we jump out past it, because sometimes it does that, we're going to pause, run. There we go. And we will continue on our F8ing. String stuff. Shared null string. Okay, are we ever going to load our file? Follow and dump. Follow and dump. We're getting to it. Let's see here. This looks interesting. Let's go ahead and F7 into it, and then we will F8. Uses RSA encryption. So there's some junk left from my works in it. Don't mind. Decompiled the VB6 code and stuff. Uses our fun. Debug. Okay, fine. Let's see here. We might be skipping a bit more than we need to, but failed to locate. So this guy would have instantaneously put us right here. And failed to, that's fine. Text stream, maybe space, debug from ASCII. Of course, it's converting it back over. And then one of these. Okay, there we go. So we're going here rather than running this, which is just great. Whoops, I spilled a little. Alright, then we're going to jump on out, most likely. License file is invalid. Failed to get hardware info. Okay, so it looks like eventually we do need to go into all of this and see what it returns if you don't jump over all of it. So like beyond here, invalid, license file is valid. Okay. Failed. Validity start time, end time, last update time. What is this? Looking at your hardware keys and like determining as to whether or not it was debugged based off of a time that it started and the time that it ended. These are my least favorite types of programs. License has expired. That might be a good place to start. So it looks like at the end of the day, that is where we need to be. Well, probably here. anything is 1, -1. Move AL 1 because here's going to return it. And I think this is where we're jumping to. Let me go back here. We're jumping way down at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to let it jump here, and we're going to watch AL or F7, and ECX goes to that. That's going to do a call right inside Qt core, which is something to do with probably closing a file handle. Move ECX, pop. Okay, then right here at XOR AL. So definitely whichever part of the code gives us AL1 is right. So here's what we should do. Instead of doing that, let's go ahead and try something. We're going to manually do it here after, of course, after we hit F7, it's going to clear it out, and AL is going to be 0. We're going to make AL1. And then we see here that it's moving into, well, what do I call these? It's not really a stack pointer, but it's like, well, here, let's help. This will give us the right word for it. Memory location. Okay, whatever. It's like essentially processor space. ECX. And ECX is that. Okay, cool, whatever. Pop, 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 return. Now, AL does have 1. Remember that. And we see that coming out. Good Lord, I think I'm coming down with something. Do apologize. We're going to go ahead and, no, it's not protected. Too early. Yeah, okay. Guys, help me with this. So you don't mind if you help me with that? At some point, we could probably do that. See here, EDI, ECX. Now it's going to move into BL, what's in AL, which would be a 0. But we set it to 1, and now it's going to move into this stack address, BL, which is 1. Then it's going to call these things and do some stuff, and then it's going to test BL, and it's 1, so it's jumping because it's not 0. So we skipped over our message box there. Let's go ahead and hit F9. Wait, let's not, because we'll never find our way back. We're going to go back into this call here, and we're going to put inc AL. No, it needs to be 1. Move AL 1. Why is it red? I'm not going to worry about it. Anyways, now let's put a comment here. Patch here. Now let's hit run. Hey, what do you know? Help about add log package. And now, of course, open file name. It's going to try to open up the dialog for us. We'll run it. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Here you go, mate. This is linked to the RAR file. Sweet. That looks like it's x64 encoded. So let's go ahead and this one will work. Base 64. Decode. Hey, this looks like it's base 64 encoded too. Or base 58, who really knows. Paste. Close that, save that to the desktop. It's done. Comments done. Minimize here. This guy, let's see, are we back? We're good. We can open up our log file. Don't see any reason why we couldn't. You can't see what's on the screen because it's on the other screen, so let me cancel this. And we're going to open the GDC Diagnostic Utility, and we see now this is not grayed out. Add log package. Help about. Doesn't really tell us whether or not we are or aren't, but if we were to try to load license, it's probably going to crash or something because Ollie's not going to know what to do. It's going to yell and scream. But let's close it. Close. Cancel. And let's make a little saved executable here for it. Sorry for my... don't worry about it. Don't be sorry. Never give up, never surrender. Alright, Ollie, admin. Yes, Alt-Y, which never used to be a thing, but now it is, but it always was, but people didn't know about it. Diagnostic util. Okay. Let's search for, let's view comments. Where's our comments? I know there's a way to do this. Whatever. In 3 breakpoints. Damn it. View executable modules, diagnostic utilities. Do we not have any breakpoints? Oh, I'm going to be angry. I'm not going to be angry, but you know. Let's do this. We're going to do search for command XOR AL. Is that it? Looks like it. Control L. That's not it. And that's probably not it either. Nope. Control L. Nope. Maybe. Maybe. That looks like it. That's probably not it. Nope. 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 Okay. I think it's our second maybe. Now, where is it? Comments? Show source? Oh, okay. I know there's a way to do it. Let's view and show. Well. Huh. Must have been a plugin I used to use. I think it was called Bookmarks. Anyways, let's do Control L. We'll get back to our first maybe. That's not it. 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 And that could be it. Comments. Show profile. I believe this is it. Essentially, I'm going to put a breakpoint on all of them. Whichever one it lands on, we know is it. So there's one. We know it's not those. Run. There we go. Knew it. Move AL 01. And then we're going to go like this. Edit, copy to executable. Yes. And we're going to call it oh boy, it's way over here. Util patch. Can you put a question mark? No, it won't let you do that. Can do that. Run, and it just loads right in so beautifully. It doesn't say it can't find it. Doesn't say anything like that. We're gonna kill it in here. And let's see here, right there it is. We're gonna run our diagnostic utility and unable to read, but wait, there's more. Let me close this version of it here. So this is the one that we didn't patch. Now this is the one that we did patched. Oh, hey, look at that. Now the difference it is, exactly, my UDD did not save, and I hate that when it crashes. Oh, right, you can't see that. So it starts right up. So here we can see add log package exit. Now if we run the one that's not cracked, we get this unable to read license file, and then when it loads up, you get this. It's grayed out. You can't do anything with it except load license. Well, Morty, that's not going to work for me, Morty. So Instead, we do that 1 byte patch, and now we get this beautiful program that loads right up, file, add, load package, whatever you want to do. So, bam. There you go. So you just one little address. Hope you found it. If not, just go ahead and rewind. And let's see here. It's super hard to find. You just go ahead and open up the program. It's going to yell at me. Ollie has had a long day. And we're going to do right click. Search for commands. XOR AL. And did I do it? Search for command XOR AL search. Control L. Oh, let's try going up a bit. There. So it's not the first one. It's not the second one. It's not the third one. It's not the fourth one or the fifth one. It's the sixth one. It's recognizable by this. And it's also recognizable by all of this, which is what we dug through to find it. And that is at the address, at least on this address space, 3C72D7. So, what do you say we do the rest for another stream? Because you're tired, XD. Can I get it? Can I get... Oh, that exe. No, I can't be distributing, cracked software now. I mean, I can show you how this protection works and how it can be bypassed and kind of look into it. But there was a end user license agreement. No, this one didn't have that. It's right here. You change that to move AL1. And go. So beautiful. All right, now we're definitely not going to save the rest for another stream. We will save your crackme from crackmes.de for another one. But Sean has been waiting for some VB. We've been talking about it in the comments. We've been back and forth about everything, and we're going to do that right now. So let's see here. I downloaded it. Win Dominoes or whatever. And let's kill this. Pop onto the desktop. And where's it at? Okay. You know what? This is how we're going to view our desktop from now on. We're just going to do it in a folder. Desktop. There's my desktop. It was Windom 377. It's like Windows domination coming to a computer near you. Your friends say they're a Mac? Tell them I dominate you. Sorry. Okay, so welcome to Domino's Win42 and WinMoon setup program. Next. Being installed right alongside Battlefield 1. Alright. Has been successfully installed. Installation complete. Finish. Now what? Now we're on a desktop. I really need some icons over here. Let's see, can I just drag this? Can I just give me an icon? Properties. Nope. Okay, anywho. Let's go ahead and run Domino's 99 Win42. Which one do I run? Oh, it's called Win42, so let's run Win42. Usage count. Oh, you have 30 days. Welcome to Win42. If you need help at any time, just press the F1 key. First, enter your name and the names of your computer's opponents. Oh, this is so VB. Pearl, Glenda, Lloyd. Yes, I am Lloyd. You have kids? I do. I have 2 kids. Next, you'll need to each pick one domino to... Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is epic. And there's a purchase register. Oh, here we go. Your name, your code. Oh, so old school. I love it. Okay, so attach. Surprised you still remember my name is FJLJ. That's epic right there. 142 attach. Oh, I think I just saw it. MSVB 500, I think. Did I? Or am I making it up because I wanted to see it? MSVBMV5. Yes. 142. So this, of course, is going to just be full of garbage. Won't be able to do much at all in it. It's just because that's how it works. But we're going to try it. You know, your name, FJLJ, your code, 0123456788. Hello, Sito. And we're going to hit register. Sorry, that is not the correct code for the username. Quote, FJLJ, quote. I know you can't see it, but I can't drag it. Oh, I can. Oh my gosh, I can drag the. Oh my god. Oh, love it. Okay, so Ollie, pause, debug, execute till user code. If this works, it's just going to be so much awesome. Yeah, I didn't figure because it's inside the VM right now. It's not the actual code. So, what do you do? Well, clearly, you don't play the game. You exit it. And then you open up your trusty browser and you type in VB Reformer. And you hope that you can find VB Reformer because it's been years. So why you don't straight decompile it with VB decompiler instead of two? Right, so exactly. That's why we're going to use VB Reformer here. This was free. What? Try it. You gotta crack your crack tool. You know. You got a crack tool you want to use. You got to crack the crack tool so that you can crack. Who are these people? VB decompiler, you patch in Ollie. That's how I work. Yeah, exactly. VB decompiler version 10. Does it do VB 5 and 6, or is it just .NET, like Reflector and all that crap? I mean, Reformer's got me here, like, like back in the day. Like, I probably still have it installed. I have a copy. See, look at that. Look at that. You gonna share? Is this shareware? I believe I have it as well. It's just not going to be on this hard drive. It's going to be on a hard drive like 3 drawers deep and 7 totes wide. Perfect. Honestly, I remember VB decompiler back in the day. Reformer was like the big brother. It was like, here, you're going to use this because it's epic. Let me just get on the screen here. Let me just... Okay. Let me get... Okay. I can't see anything now. Hold on. There we go. This is what you guys see. Oh, my... Okay, I gotta hit cancel. Because it keeps putting this back up over my screen. There we go. Open. Reformer is not as great as... well, maybe that's true now, but back in the day when they were both brand new, Reformer was the only thing that I could remember. And we'll try them both here. Where is that at? Win42, more, open file location. My dog is running in his sleep. Open file location. Give me some dominoes. Domino launch. Love it. Legality of decompilation. If decompilation is possible to a certain extent, is it then also allowed? Okay, continue. Thank you. Look at that. 42. So, if I remember correctly, in the trial version of this, it just won't let you save, which we don't really need to. We want to go to the form, which is going to be like register or something like that. Source code. Register. Register. Oh, come on. This is supposed to do stuff. Free edition. It seems to me like the free edition is just garbage. Oh. Oh. Okay, we've got the user interface. Oh my, it's... That chop is not me. Like, trying to scroll this is AIDS. So we've got the form, but we need the source, right? Yeah. Yeah. You know, that might be it too. Maybe it's not just the trial version. Maybe there is some sort of protection going on here for keeping me out of it. Let's see here. I mean, it looks like a standard header though for VB. Yeah, it's just straight up P code, you know. Which I have a, yeah, but you see, you always look for this RTC Beaster from ANSI, which you can definitely do in here. Let's go ahead and run this. I've done this in here before. Let's see here. Oh boy, run. I will. I'll grab VBD compiler. All right, our game is running. Our game of Domino's, the fancy new pizza restaurant here in town. It's called Domino's. They even deliver. Definitely not to be confused with Domino's. Okay. Search for names. Oh, yes, here we go. RTC var Beaster from ANSI. Let's see here. Makes it a little bigger. F2. Oh, understanding the code now. That's the fun part. String B-star. Let's find references. And we'll do that. Lower value. Yeah, let's grab that. And did I do this one already, or did I do this one? Let's see here. I did that one. Find references. From format, variable, get setting error, get all settings, RTC string. Log is empty is probably going to be useful. And from there, it's going to be about as far as we're going to get in this. So let's give it a shot here. Purchase register FJLJ. Your code is blah blah. Register. Oh! Look at that! Look at that! Get swifty. Yeah, get swifty. Just couldn't fully read it. I could get some of it, just not all. Okay. So we're going to follow the jump, and the jump's going to land us in here, of course. We're not going to follow it. We're going to hit F8, which is, of course, since it's P code, going to follow it. And this is where things get kind of stupid. So now you're inside a C, and then you have to wait for everything to go out and come back, and then here it's, you'll see what I mean. So we're going to hit I hit F7. We want to hit F8 a bunch, and we'll see that eventually it's going to toss us right back through a long chain of everything. Oh, I missed it. There we go. So really, I think I want to just do F8 or F9. So the trick with VB and Ollie with this is don't waste too much time. NC value, we don't want that. Sorry, it's incorrect. Okay, so. And then you just want to kind of look at the stack because it's never going to clean up after itself. What in the blazing is that? One of my favorite tricks. So you're saying you don't know wait, what? Oh, right. So 34343. This is what we typed in. Alt M, Control B, Shift Insert to paste, search. All right, there we have it. We're gonna do breakpoint, memory, read write. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Search for another one. Oh, what is that? EXT? Breakpoint, memory, read and write. Search for another one. Breakpoint, memory, read and write. Search for another one. Now, one thing you'll notice, we'll find the form this way. Let me explain what I mean. If I were to come in here and type something in this, damn thing will break. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit run. And I think we just broke it anyways. Yeah. So anyways, let's grab that VB decompiler. I believe it's a 6.0. So that. Yeah. Done with this version of Reformer because the free one is obvious garbage. VB decompiler. 5 and 6 are not much different than anything. I mean, way different than .NET, but yeah, 5, 6, yeah, same thing. It's all P code. Download. That's what I like to see. XP support. You know, your program better support XP and Linux in Wine. It's funny. Let's click the add button. Decompiler light. Why you use 2 ad blockers, master? It's a good question. So this is uBlock origin. Sometimes it pisses me off. So I put this one on here. AdBlock plus because I always had it before, but then this one was like really cool. But sometimes it pisses me off. So a lot of times that one gets disabled because it blocks way more than I want, and I don't want to go through and like tweak all the settings, whereas AdBlock just blocks what I want it to. Yeah, so I've got a light version here. Let's see here. That's light. Well, that's light 8.4. What is this? Do I need a specific one? I'm going to go with the top one, and we're going to go with it and see what happens. VBD compiler light. Oh, jeez, Rick. Another to try. I used to use all the time. Yeah, 132 DASM. Just search the strings. Yeah, right. Light version is way too limited. You need the full version. we're gonna work with what we've got. Let's see here. It's like I don't have a download for the full version. I'm not gonna buy it. Don't need it. Let's see here. Light. Products. VB decompiler. Password show 1. P-code example. You could do this in damn hex editor. You know, maybe I'll write a decompiler. You know, I've got this awesome PDF from years ago. Pro. Oh God. I see what you mean. Well, we're gonna try it. And if it doesn't work, we'll grab the Pro version. I've got Reformer somewhere. Somebody had a hey, if somebody sends me a link to where I can download it, then that's great. Like, you know, let's try this. Open program. Oh, you can't see anything I'm doing because I'm on the wrong monitor, but to me it's the same monitor. There we go. Open program. And it's going to be not on my clipboard anymore. Dominoes. So, Mr. Sean, why the interest in VB 5 and 6 anyways? For this? Like, specifically? I don't believe it. Okay. Register. Oh, look at that. Code word T. The OneDrive is for my OneDrive. Did you put a link for the Reformer that I already own a legit copy for, but I don't have currently installed? I did like 3 of them. What, did you put it in Discord or did you email it to me? Like, there's nothing in Discord. I used ABP and pop-up block from Chrome together. Yeah. Anyways, so we got this. We want the code, not the form. But it's showing us the form, so that's cool. Okay, so form active, form load, register, command register click. On air, resume next. Okay, push val CI2R8 field text. Yeah, byte. Okay, this is so limited. Let's see here. Let me just pop on the server over here real quick. Right. You know, Google is awesome. You just type in index of quote space a file name and you find everywhere that it's at. So, let's see here. Oh my. Oh, you can still get it, for sure. Desktop audio, go to hell. There we go. Alright, that was annoying. I was asking if a link for maybe. Give or take. Alright, cool. Phone's going crazy. What the hey ya. Alright, you know. Sometimes that happens. Okay. Somebody said there was a link? Right. I've got this. Failed virus detected. More information. You bastards. Open transmission. Transmission. We'll just do this. We're just gonna do that. You just grab it off my box over there. Hold on, I gotta go turn the server on. Shit. I just ran over a dog. Okay, Jack? You okay? Alright. Another quick break. We're going to jump into this one. We're going to tackle it quick as the last because we're going to be set up and good to go. But currently, small problems. Got to fire up the server so I can grab some old files. I don't know what version I have, but I have it. And that will take care of it. So, I will be right back. That's a hard question. I mean, I'm not leaving the stream for it. Oh, you have to go. It's kind of hit or miss. I try to get at least one a week, but as you can tell, this is it's 3 weeks ago since I got one. It kind of depends on how busy the family life is that week and how much energy I have after they get to bed and how long I want to stay up afterwards. Anyhow, looks like I have, based off my cache, looks like 9.8. So, if anybody does have a link for that, that might be quicker. But I'm going to go turn it on and we can transfer those. I'll be right back. All right. Things are happening. Hamsters are running in wheels. Server should be booting. It's old. It's outdated. It doesn't get much use. It's got years of my work and information on it, so I don't let it to life too often. Let's see here. Open. Hey, look at that. That'll do. That will do. Does it match the same one that I have? Because I have a key. It does. 9.8. Sweet. Let's see if my key works. Close that. Open this. So I'm back. You canceled your work. What? What does that mean? So I was about to go to work, and then I was like, guys, I'm not going to make it to the office today. Oh my. I don't want to hold that responsibility. It's like, yeah, you know that time I missed work? Well, they fired me. It's your fault. Oh, shit. Okay, decompiler, more. Enter key. Sweet. Dude, the stream is so far behind. I feel like the video is just ages back. Like 20 seconds. That's strange. Usually it's not. And I'm on low latency too. Weird. Best for near real-time interactions with minimal playback buffering. It was just my preview is oh yeah, it is. I wasn't up to live. What the fuck? Okay, no wonder. Okay. Let's give this a shot. VBD compiler, go! .fix software. So what Target are you working at? Target? Like the retail store? Target? Like, I don't work at Target. Hey, we got it. Look, 9.8 registered. Key worked. Just the installer. Well, thanks. Got it though. I got it from you, I believe. But you got it from that other one. Oh, gotcha. Program. No, I knew what you meant. I'm just trolling. I'm sorry. Recent files, Win42. Decompiled, okay. Okay, code. Register. Command register, click. Oh, it's so better. Okay, so. Val me, code word text.text. Okay, that's here. Set var 88. Okay, so if unknown blah 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 equals what we enter, then do this. Else, that's not correct. Go away. So we need to go to unknown 43 FC4. So let's find that. Gotta find some unknown. Can I just click it? That'd be way too easy, right? Unknown. hex view? Disassembler. Yeah, here's the disassembler. Here's the decompiler. Can't patch it. Well, why couldn't you? You just do not equal. Let's do. Is there a way to go to hex? I want to go right to that byte. Location. Let's go to here. If unknown. Branch. Location. Byte. And what was that at? Cause here, can we change it here? Yeah, we can. So we just need to figure out where it's at. Exactly. Patch conditional checks. Exactly. Now, I'm just gotta figure out how to do that in this. Because what I want to patch is this guy right here. Just put a knot. Now, tools. Let's see here. Am I just drawing a blank, or am I like dumb? Oh. Really? Now see, this is why Reformer was so much better. Because you could just change it right here and then save it. Correspond to the address and the code of you. I know. So you're saying just Pam, we go to that. Or this right here, actually, I guess. Copy in Ollie. Saying that that's going to work. Because if that's going to work, then hey, that's easy. File. Open. Win42. Copy address and paste it on his go-to. Are you serious? Oh boy. Follow expression. 1C. Alright. Now what? No, I'm just kidding. I actually have a thing for this. But let's take a look here. So here. So we want to look for 3 difference of somethings. 1C. Copy address. What? I did grab the address. This is the address. Would that not be the address? What address are you talking about? Talking about here? What are you talking about, Helium? You're talking about here? Because I mean, I'll go there. That's. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay, so there we go. DD jump. Yeah, that one, guy. Okay, let's split this up a little bit so I can see. Okay, so here we are. Thank you for purchasing is here. And what do we have to correlate off of? DD. Can I just... No. So here's the jump. Right? Okay, so 492409274. That's way up there. Sorry. 408. 408. 4BC. 4083 F4. This guy. RTC valve from booster buffer here. Let's try something. Purchase, register. Okay. So where did you walk me through this? Because right now, like, I see what I want to do, but I don't see it in here. Like, I see thank you. Am I just not looking hard enough? Code word text, carriage return. Command register, label 1, register online. Hey, not much. Crack some softwares. Yeah, what are you up to? Right on. Although right now I'm like retarded. I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, I see code and I see what I want to change, but I can't remember for the life of me how to read this in Ollie when it's VB like this. Let's see here, 138. Okay, 138, 147. DD offset 138 as integer. 46134. Okay, this is our code. C code word text. C134. Okay, so that's what we want to do. I want to do if that equals that. Okay, so it's our name goes through a function, and then if it equals the code here, then you win. So yeah, no, that's good. Now share with us. What did you do? Did you just type in the base test or text that comes with it? Okay, we got 138. Okay, so this is the okay right here. 9274. C138 set var 88 470 visible false and D0. I've been trying to reverse, has been giving me problems. I've been doing it because the dev who made it died and the server's checking. Right? Absolutely, send it over. That's a fun one. I do lots of those actually. Where 30 hour. Well, definitely send it over. There's a link to Discord in the chat. Post a link in there, or not in chat, but in the description. So, I almost want to just patch this. Right, exactly. So I feel you, because right now I'm like, okay, we've got this variable here and the variable here. I see what what needs to be done, but how it correlates back to the P code here, I can't remember for the life of me. And so let's go to disassembler here. Let's see, because this is what it's going to be more like. Thank you for purchasing, and 132 visible. What are you talking about? 006A1FEA here. I'm nowhere near that. Oh, did you look for the actual function call? I feel like we're just not looking hard enough here. Well, yeah, I mean, I could change this, but that doesn't actually do anything. I mean, yeah, I could just change this to being that, but that's not gonna actually, you're still running this, which we want to run this. Now, 134 and 130 just need to be null. Was the check for how many attempted wrong times it disables. Oh, okay. Let's see here. 134 is that. 130 is that. We have an unknown. Else 138. So really, we just need to set 138, this guy, to being FF instead of 0. And variable 88, which is variant, which is this one here, 46C470, which is here. Go to expression 41953C E1 back. 2 274 409-274. Okay, so we need this guy down here. You know what? We need to do analysis, remove analysis from module. There we go. Thank you. That's better. Yeah. Two ways to do that. You can either make a server and run it and have it always respond, or you can just bypass it altogether. It has to come back to the program at some point. So you trace it inside Ollie, or no, you just look for the call out to it. This is irritating me. This here has something to do with it. I feel like if we just edit, fill with nopes. Okay, so now that jumped us to our nope address. So we did make some sort of difference. Okay. Honestly, what you could do, file, save decompiled project, put that on the desktop, make a new folder, blah, blah. Okay, save it, and then just recompile it. Project saving complete. And then, let's see, do I have that folder anywhere? There it is. And then you just compile it on up. Okay, but that's not going to work for us. I'll be right back. Uh-oh. What happened to my stream? Oh, there it goes. Anyways, I'll be right back. Child crying. guys. Look, I got a cat. His name's George. Go on, get up there.
Found that if the server turns zero, I cry.
Right. He's saying if you ever wanted to implement your own server, you could. Siri, go to hell. Okay, where were we at? Let's see here. Command register. Okay, so open this link and make it clear. What is this? Yeah, password not right. Yeah, recompile is kind of a pain in the ass. So we're gonna go back to 438A54. Go to, not F, go to. There we go. 438A54. Just DD. My bad. 40846C. 40846C. There we go. So DD offset 4083 F4. 4083 F4. 3F4 is here, and that's a 1. Okay, so what did I want to do? I wanted to pull up a file over here, vb.pf, PDF. So there we go. See here, object. Object table, do it null. Picture box. This is not what I wanted. Okay, well, where are we at? How did I get here? Oh, down here. Okay, so we can't exactly. Wait a minute. So let's try to put breakpoints on all of this. I don't think it will do anything because this doesn't really get ran. It gets referenced. We could try memory on access. 47. So we know that. What do we know? We know that if it's correct, the register menu will disappear. This memory location will get set to HFF global unload of our form. And we know that the cint of the value in the text here. Code word text needs to match needs to match whatever is returned from this function on our name.txt. Now we should have that function in here somewhere. Unknown, what was it? Register 2. Is it just in here and I don't see it? Here's your 5 tries. Server, but shit, I'm lost in the code and I don't yeah. I hate that. Don't remember where your breakpoint. Bookmarks. Write it down. Notepad. Memvar. So, in the end of the day, 134 needs to equal the output of a function on 130. Or we need, I mean, really all we need to do is change this to not equal, or just get rid of it altogether. If we get rid of that, I think I patched it. See the screenshot below. I don't see a screenshot at all. Are you in Discord? Dot. Dot. Right. Now, where did you patch that? How did you patch it? Do tell. Don't hold back on our learning here. You're holding up everything. Let's see here. So we're in Ollie. We're here. We have a thank you. We have a sorry. We know that the sorry, there's something here. Okay, what's B2C? 41111. Okay, so B1413847. That one should break, actually. Run. Yeah, so the access violation is all due to us modifying the P code, but we didn't modify it. These breakpoints actually modify it by inserting a int3, and so when it sends that over to the interpreter, it's all going to be in there and it's going to hate life. I used it because an Ollie the jump to address was wrong and actually. Are you kidding? Like, you telling me that Ollie is gonna let me down for once? It would do that in VB. It'd be like, you know what, dude? I don't do VB. Desktop. Should be DBG or X. That's not it. D drive. Where the hell is it at? Well, there's one way to solve this. We'll just grab it again. DBGX 64. The link to it's exactly the same. Like it's been clicked. No, I'll grab it again. You know, it's much quicker than searching through all my stuff. Don't have the time to try to do that. It's probably still on my desktop in a place or another. Oh, look at that. Replace it. Replace them. I just left it in a folder labeled release. Oh, I could stop being lazy and actually talk into my microphone. Sorry. But I could also turn it up a bit. Let me see. Oh, how's that? All right, so we got X96DB. And of course it's on the wrong screen, but you know, that's okay. It's fixable. And we want to go to fine now. Yeah, if I sit up and like I said, I'm getting tired. I get real tired now. It's almost 1 in the morning. Yep, it is almost 1 in the morning. Dominoes. Wait, what? What the hell am I doing? Cancel. Oh, damn it. Get rid of that. I ran the launcher. No, no. No, no, he says. No, no. I know. I know. I ran the launcher. Don't worry. Getting ahead of myself. Oh, yeah, we did a PDF thing, too. Forgot about that. Jeez. We've done more than I remember doing, so. I know it's asking for the debugger. It's okay. Cool your jets. Go to this one. Exchange. Compare AL95 pop FDL DH. Shit, what? Yeah, this is, oh, here we go, sub 40C B4, just breakpoint and don't give a shit word. Alright. Run. So I did. That is not where I want to go. There we go. This is where we are. About to raise an we just raised an exception. I love x96. I'd use IDA Pro, but I've been so used to. Right? I need to use this more just because, like, this looks great. And, you know, I really shouldn't use it to look at VB5 files, but did that. Okay, so run. Sorry, that's incorrect. Okay. Let me get this over there. Cancel. Purchase. Register. Okay. Go to Control V. Somewhere in here. Anywhere he says. Just anywhere. Just throw it in there. Just do it. Yeah, I know. Debug. Let's see here. Options. Preferences. Exceptions. Add range. Save. Run. Register. Okay, we break here. Add byte. We break because of an access violation. Run. It really doesn't like that. Ta-da! What do you mean ta-da? It's an access violation. Wait, did it like actually break where it needed to break even though it... Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Just throw the breakpoint in there so that it will get stuck. Are we actually where... Okay, let me restart this. We're gonna run it. Of course, it's gonna be on the wrong monitor. All right. That really shouldn't matter for VB5, like something that's this old, really. Let's see. Go back into where... There it is. Okay. F2, F2. Test byte EAX AL. Let's do analysis. Remove. Okay. Already did. I don't know. Let's see here. So that's here, and let's find the little reference to 46C130, which we may never do. We might have to break out Ollie. Yeah, Let's do that real quick, because then I'll be able to see the differences between them. Four three eight nine seven two. Why there? Like, that's okay. So 438. Why there? So what made you think 43897? Oh, right here. So you're telling me that you told me not to go here, but then you told me to go there. Because that makes sense to me. Like, this should be an address. That should be like, we should be able to go to 438972 in the hex editor. 438972. 438972. Jump, and that's apparently here. 973. Okay, so 972 is here, and that's a 1C. And then go back to the disassembler. 438972 branch if, and we should be able to set that to a 0. Save. Can it save read-only file? Yes, you can. Bastard. Okay, so let me go to that in here. 438972. We did that. We're gonna hit run. We're running. We're gonna hit purchase. We're gonna hit register. We're gonna put in some numbers. We're gonna register. Oh, thank you for purchasing. Thank you for purchasing. The reason that works, let me explain. So Breakpoint inserts a byte, an int3, into the bytecode, and it upsets that. Oh my god. Why that works is stupid. Like, if you had to explain to somebody, here's how to patch it, just go ahead and put a breakpoint on that conditional, it'll just do it. Essentially, we're effectively telling it to skip that line by putting a int3 on it. It goes, oh, this is invalid, just go to the next line, because this only works because the person who wrote it put this line right here, on air resume next. If that wasn't there, it would throw an exception, and it would be like, oh, there's an error, I'm going to cancel out. But since we put int3 in here, the P code goes, skip it, just go on, and it does all this. God. Now, if we wanted to actually rewrite it, say that it was accurate, let's see what we can do about that. So 1CCO is what we get. But Ollie helps us here a little bit. We're going to actually go to it. Okay, we got 1CCO, and let's try to set this to a edit, binary edit 00. Now, I may be wrong, and this may still only work because of the on-air resume next, but we're going to try it. I don't need this breakpoint anymore either, but okay. Now, real time. Oh my, that's huge. Where am I at? Why can't you see? Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Purchase, register. There you go. Says thank you for purchasing. So, okay, and now it's gone. So we can definitely just, in Ollie, rewind, go to 438972, edit, binary edit, 00, edit, copied, executable. Okay, so I was on the right track originally when you were like, don't just go there, go there, but you know, that's okay. I don't blame anyone for anything, because in the end, the harder it was to learn it, the longer you'll remember it. Cracked. Okay, we'll close this and we'll open up our folder for dominoes. And let me close the other one. Yep. Exit. Exit. Close out that. Close out this. This guy. Okay, that's fine. Cracked. Okay, so it still shows demo version, of course. And most likely it's still going to pop up and be purchasable because, well, whatever reason, it's not actually... It's either A, not actually registering it, or B, when you do run out of time, you'll just click that and then it will be like, oh, okay, thanks. Yeah, go ahead. You're good. Lloyd wins the draw. Okay, I don't know what I just clicked. Lloyd will shuffle them. Read. Oh, good. Is this like an interactive storybook? Now, help register is still here, and I can still press it. However, the purchase button is gone. About doesn't show that we're registered. I can't drag that one for whatever reason. Display, file. Now, as far as where it gets the information, right, it is a vulnerability in the code and we're able to exploit it because on-air resume next was like, okay, in VB 5 and 6 and any VB script, on-air resume next was like a strict no. If your code requires this, then you're doing it wrong. However, everyone was like, oh, you just need to add on-air resume next and it'll work. And it did. So that's what everybody always did. They just did on-air resume next. And Sean, are you still here? Because we cracked it. Oh, I know you do. I know you know it, but there's other people watching too, Helium. You know, I think I remember you from crackme's.de. And let's see here. I don't think it actually like stores anything. Let's find out. What do you mean, me too? You remember him? Or back when I was 11? Or, you know, yeah, exactly. I was to say, the last time I did anything like VB6, I was like 10, 11. I wrote some viruses in it. Wrote some patchers, injectors. I mean, it's definitely a thing. That's for sure. Let's go to form load. Let's see here. Banner? No. Although I'm super curious because Serb is probably gonna watch this and be like, "What do you do? No, don't play with VB6. Like, it's a waste of your time." And then he's gonna be like, "Oh, but you could have just done this." And be like, oh, thank you. That's awesome. Because every time we do a video, he'll pick up somewhere I left off and run with it. And I mean, he produced different keygens on and tossed them on Pastebin in Discord. If you're watching or following along in there, you can see him. Awesome dude. Like straight up. What is this? Oh, right. This is the product page. You can see it says registration servers are down. It's still down the leak. It's full version audio. Cuts out for 5 seconds. Oh, my. Okay. 55 seconds. The specific DLL for registration stuff is, excuse me, not the exe itself. I'd love to watch you take a crack at it. Sorry for a bad pun. No problem. The people who inherited the business product. Okay, that's good. So let me grab this product, ASCII Link Pro, and let's download. Our payment methods are currently unavailable due to technical difficulties. Please track. Oh no. So are you guys wanting to like, since you own it, bypass it altogether and then just do like hard sales, or are you wanting to recreate the servers and like Helium was saying, actually host your own? Because if you do, we can go down both of those routes. Right, you're cracking me. Sean, good to see you. So we got that to thank us for registering. However, I'm sure that you're probably sitting there going, what the hell did they just do? I'm still lost, because really, I get it. Yeah, like, it's still gonna say this is still demo version until you actually do this. And you couldn't see any of that because it's on my other screen. But I'm going to look into a bit more of that and reach out to a couple people who used to do a lot of it and be like, dude, I can't remember for the life of me how to do this. And they're going to be like, dude, remember? I'm like, oh, got it. I was really tired. I may be a little drunk. No, I was kidding. Okay, you're crack me. Where's that? After patching the software and live streaming, NSA clipping. Yeah, I mean, I'm down for working for the NSA if they need somebody. I'm just saying. I mean, anybody who wants to pay me to sit in the chair and reverse engineer, that's like my dream right there. Just tear stuff apart, add functionality, remove functionality. That's it. I mean, okay. Ugh, coil's a little harsh. Trying to quit smoking, So I've got like 40 different vape pens I'm trying, and so far, install 16 stereo WDM devices. I'm going to skip that for now because we just want to actually take a crack at that. Now, I downloaded the Crack Me. Where's it at? Help with purchased software? Wait, what is it? Who sent me this? What is this? Who sent me this? Where did that one come from? But I always wanted to work with an undergrad, right? Well, who sent me that? What is that? Help with purchase software. Like, I don't know where that came from. I know what your Crack Me is. I downloaded it, but where did I download it to? Let's see here. Let's do some organizing here. Rubbish. Desktop, I'm sure. No, it starts with one of these. There it is. Got it. Don't worry. Don't worry, everybody. Morty, get to the chopper, Morty. I'm kidding. That was a bad one. My throat's kind of a little scratchy right now. Okay, we're gonna close this, and we're gonna minimize that, and bam, voila. Okay. Oh my, it's VB. Okay, my Crack Me is okay. So we have a copy and another one, and then we have the original folder and nag remove, no bad boy, no exit. Is this your kind of go-to? Yeah. Well, you got the whole project right here. Okay, let's run it as administrator, like you should with all programs. Name and serial. Name, FJLJ. Serial, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, I love it when there's no bad boy, no nothing. Goodbye. Oh, 3 attempts and you're gone. You don't know about work. Yeah, oh, wow, look at that. 3 attempts and it locks you completely out. How does it know, though? Okay, well, here's a good place to start. Let's go with not this. Or this. And let's go back into our VB. After 3 runs, it disables itself, even on the copy. But let's find out how. VB decompiler. The double 9 as a bonus. Decompiled OK. Form 1. Command 1 click. Form 1 load. There we go. No on-air resume next. We're going to learn quite a lot here. Oh my goodness. God. Some manual obfuscation here. Twips per pixel. Twips. Okay. No. Yeah. No. We're not. Oh, no. Not today. This is... No. No. Sorry. Not tonight. Deuces. I'm done. No, that's one of those that you're like, this is a crack me. No value. Like, this is a crack me. It just says goodbye. So to you, I say goodbye. Whatever is the string for goodbye. Yeah. Not that hard, just hex from... No, I get it. I'm not going to go through all that manually right now, and I don't feel like writing a whole program for it right now either. There's the nag removed, no bad boy, no exit. I like your progress. And then you can, go through no exit on bad boy, nag removed. Cool. Done some work for us. But not tonight. If at all. Like, that's the amount of value. Like, there might be 3 people out there that are like, I really need to know how to do some in-depth reverse engineering on manually obfuscated VB5 and 6. And I'm like, why? It's in VB5 and 6. We could probably just rewrite the whole thing in like an hour in a language that's worthwhile. Yeah. I'll be the first one to tell you that my VB5-6 skills, they're pretty limited. Now, you give me .NET, that's easy. You can run it through various obfuscators. Rarely do I have to do those. Really, it's anything that can compile down to actual machine code is great. No, don't take that as an excuse not to, because at one point I will, but tonight's not the night. We've been at this, 3 or 4 hours now? Let me see. Why does my stream say offline? Let me just refresh that. When is your next stream, for fuck's sake? Okay, here's the thing. I have off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay? I've got 3 days a week off. Wednesday is jam-packed with gymnastics and child extracurriculars. Thursday, we're sitting on it. I had some time after everybody went to bed. However, I was like kind of tired, didn't really know what to make of it. Turns out it was okay, although we didn't cover a whole lot. We did a bit of learning and got people submitting some stuff. I think we're really good to go on the next stream. And if I were to go to sleep now and tomorrow be as good a day as today, I'd say the next stream would be tomorrow night on Friday, because that's my 3rd day off that I have every week. However, I do have to get up early to go to work on Saturday. So Thursdays are probably going to be the primary night that I'll be able to. If you don't, then just sit there and think, man, he must have had a rough day. I'll buy him a beer and send him a donation, or I'll buy him, or I'll run his little miner app thing website that's in his description there, and help out that way. I remember jar.exe. Now, the next stream, we'll definitely do that, but this SEO Link Pro, we're going to look at that as well. So, those two tentatively. And jar.exe, let me just look. I've seen that way before. Java, yeah, I remember that. That one, I'll download it right now. So, we're going to put on the docket jar.exe. And ASIO link for sure. So, that being said, I gonna go to bed. Cool. Looking forward to watching you take a look at it. Looking forward to you guys watching me take a look at it and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely want to keep the dream alive. It all comes down to time, money, effort, planning, and energy level, really. So you guys have been awesome tonight. As always, thanks for watching. Any quick questions? Oh, and for anybody who just tuned in, been doing this stuff on YouTube since YouTube was a wee little baby. Took several years off here and there, months off here and there. I'm kind of getting back into it, but in a different format. Before I would make videos, and I hate editing videos. So I like this interaction with people. What can you learn? What can we learn? What can we do together? And so just don't forget that app. What app? You talking about the J2E? I downloaded it. Anyways, rate, comment, subscribe, be part of the whole community. We'll grow and learn together, and that's the dream. So, as always, thanks for watching.